Hello everyone! I think you're looking for a guide to learn passive and active voice, right? Well, you're in luck, because I, Emma Herrera, along with Mariana Castañeda, Jose Pablo Calderón, and Luis Armando Leondon, are going to teach you everything you need to know. So, let's hop right into it. Let's start by definitions. In active voice, the subject of the sentence is performing the action expressed by the verb. While in passive voice, the subject becomes the person or the thing acted on or affected by the verb's action. Let's try to understand this better taking a look to the formulas.
In the simplest terms, an active voice sentence is written in the form of A does B, like Carmen sings the song. Meanwhile, a passive voice sentence is written in the form of B is done by A, which means the song is sung by Carmen. And we can see more examples of passive voice, like I've been hit, or Jasper was thrown from the car when I was stuck from behind. And there is a significant and unique thing about these past sentences that I just said, and that thing is the subject of the sentence is not the person or thing performing the action. Because the passive voice hides who does the action. Despite these past sentences being completely grammatically sound, we don't know who hit me or what struck the car. And this takes us to the next point, which is the passive voice is created using the verb to be and the past participle. When identifying these passive sentences, remember that the to be has other uses than just creating the passive voice. She was falling and his skis were lost are not passive sentences. In the first to be, the verb is continuous and in past, and the second to be is a past tense linking verb. And there are two features that will help you identify a passive sentence, which are the first one, that something is happening, like the verb doesn't have to be a linking verb, and the second is the subject of this sentence is not doing the thing.
Passive voice is a simple topic if you understand what makes it passive voice. For that, you need to know when to use it, instead of active. Passive voice is useful when you need the listener to focus on the person doing the action. For example, the house will be cleaned by me every Monday. Here, we want the listener to focus on the person who will be cleaning the house every Monday, instead of the fact that the house is being cleaned. If you want the main focus of the sentence to be the action, you should use active voice. For example, I will clean the house every Monday. Here the emphasis is in the house being cleaned, not me cleaning the house.
So, to end with the right foot, I'm going to expose you to more examples to make you sure that don't forget the subject. We have first like passive voice. With when we are older, we will pay the taxes, and the children are loved by the babysitter. And in the passive voice, we have taxes will be paid by us when we are older, and the babysitter loved the children. I think that will be all for today's lessons. I hope you enjoy it, you learn it, you understand it, and I hope you like the edition because it has a lot of effort.
I hate this channel.